Hi students, I'm sorry you couldn't join our class tonight. This is a video reviewing everything that we did today. So first of all, we talked about these questions. Why are you taking this class? What do you want to learn? What is easy about English? What is hard about English? Students said they wanted to improve their English for jobs and because they need to speak English all the time in Michigan to have conversations with people. They all agreed that speaking is the most difficult skill for them. Then we did introductions. What is your name? Where are you from? And what do you like to eat? Then we looked at some vocabulary words. We talked about a squad. What is a squad? A squad is a group of people involved in a particular activity. A synonym, a similar word, would be group or team. So a squad is a group or a team. Here are some examples. The United States Gymnastics Squad, or team, is in Japan preparing for the Olympics. The bomb squad has a robot to help with their dangerous work. We talked about why they use a robot. Because bomb disposal is very dangerous, and if the robot gets hurt, they can build a new robot. But if the people get hurt or killed, you cannot make more people. So the bomb squad is a group that helps to take care of bombs and keep us safe. I heard a squad car race past my house. A squad car is another name for police car. A squad can also be a team. The England squad lost in the final game. They were very disappointed. This is the England football squad. So again, a squad is a group of people involved in a particular activity. A group or a team. Then we talked about a time that we were part of a team. Students answered the question, what did you do in your team? Were there any conflicts or arguments? And do you like working with a team or by yourself? New vocabulary word, a saw. What is a saw? A tool with sharp teeth used for cutting wood. You can have a hand saw or a power saw. A power saw uses electricity. These are the parts of the saw. And some examples of saws. We talked about saw having two meanings. The word saw has two meanings. Number one, it is a noun, a thing, a tool. Number two, it is a verb, an action. It is the past tense of the verb see. See, saw. Every day I see you on the bus. Yesterday I saw you in the store. So the word saw has two meanings. Then we match the words to their synonyms. So these are words from the first page in your textbook. Squad is a group or a team. Pause means to stop for a short time. Annual means yearly, every year. Massive means very big. And ethical means moral or right. So some more examples of these words. She joined the cheerleading squad. We know squad is a team. Massive means big. There was a massive snowstorm last winter. Other words in English, synonyms for big. Big, huge, enormous, large, giant. Annual. Your birthday is an annual celebration. It happens once a year. So we talked about holidays in the United States. Indigenous Peoples Day, Christmas, Dr. Martin Luther King Day, President's Day, Veterans Day, Memorial Day, Independence Day, and Thanksgiving. We talked about federal holidays. These are government holidays when the government is closed. Then students talked about other holidays they celebrate. What annual holidays do you celebrate in your country? What do you do? So students talked about Christmas and Independence Day and New Year's, holidays that come one time every year, annual holidays. Okay, then we looked at these trees. These are Douglas fir trees. And we looked on the map at the city of Butte in Idaho. Why? Well, because here we go, on page 160, if you look at page 160 in your book, you will see a picture of some men sitting in a tree. On page 160, it says the Saw Squad, that means the group of men who use saws to cut down trees. The Saw Squad pauses for their annual photo. That means their photo they take once a year on a massive, very big, Douglas fir tree in Butte, Montana. Okay, the Saw Squad pauses for their annual photo on a massive Douglas fir in Butte, Montana. This is called a caption. Caption are the words that describe the picture. Then we looked on the same page, page 160, and we talked about these questions. What is a Saw Squad? We said a Saw Squad is a team of people who use saws to cut down trees to get the wood to make houses and furniture. Number 2, what skills do these workers need? We said they have to be able to climb, they have to be strong to be able to do the work, they need to be safe, they need to know first aid skills so they can help each other if they get hurt. We said they have to be focused and concentrate because it is dangerous work, and they also need to work as a team and communicate. So that's answering questions 2 and 3. Then we talked about appropriate behavior and inappropriate behavior. So appropriate behavior means behavior that's okay or good. Inappropriate behavior means behavior that is not good, not okay. So for example, we said this is an inappropriate, not appropriate outfit for a teacher to wear to work. But this is an appropriate, good outfit for a teacher to wear to work. We said this is an inappropriate way to communicate in the workplace. But this is an appropriate way to communicate, good way to communicate in the workplace. Then we looked on page 162 and students took turns doing this activity. So A says, imagine you are at work. Think carefully about each action below and decide if it is appropriate, A, or inappropriate, I, workplace behavior. Write A or I next to each statement. So for example, it says, ask a coworker for help. We said, yes, this is appropriate. We ask each other for help. This is good. So we said appropriate. And then students went through the rest of the activity and decided, is it A, appropriate, good, or I, inappropriate, bad? Okay. Then we did some grammar. We talked about nouns and pronouns. So we said a noun is a thing, object, person, place, animal, idea, or an event. And a pronoun can take the place of a noun. Now the subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. So for example, we could have the sentence, Laura is happy. Laura is a noun because Laura is a person. I can replace Laura with she. She is happy. She means Laura. Number 2, the girls are hungry. Girls are people, persons. So girls are the noun. I can replace girls in that sentence with they. They is a pronoun that has the same meaning as girls. The city is massive. City is a place. So city is a noun. I can replace city with it. It is massive. We then completed this activity from your grammar pages. This is activity 6. Okay, this was homework. So we looked at the noun students and decided which pronoun we can use. He, she, it, or they. So students we'd replace with they. So this is homework. You can do this for tomorrow. And then our other homework is the workbook on page 108. Page 108 of your workbook. Acceptable or unacceptable behavior in the workplace. So that's it. That's what you missed. We will review tomorrow and we look forward to seeing you. Have a great night. Bye.